Hello friends, it is me Jesu and you're welcome once again to my channel. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. This is the horizontal side and this is the vertical side. We go to resize. We click in on pixel. Mine is already 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. Anytime you want to do it, we have to untick the maintain aspect ratio, put any figures we want, then click OK. The next thing we're going to do is to go to the view and we tick the rulers. The rulers must be ticked. Mine is already ticked and we return back to the shapes. We click on the curve shape. We go 100, 0 by 100. I'll make it straight. I'll make a straight line. We click here and we click here. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We click on select and we tick transparent selection. Mine is already ticked. And we flip horizontally. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And rotate right 90 degree. And we rotate right 90 degree. And the next thing we're going to do is to start filling. Let's choose red color and see how it goes. Okay, and let's choose another color. I think I prefer that. And we choose another color. So the next thing we're going to do is to open another page in Paint. We make it 3000 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. We zoom out. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, we Ctrl V. We keep on pressing Ctrl V since all the sides are the same. We don't need to flip horizontal or make any correction. So we keep on pressing the Ctrl V. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C. We click outside the canvas and we drag it and increase it by 1000 pixels. We Ctrl V. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We drag the canvas to 2000 pixels. We can see it's 3000 by 2000 pixels and we Ctrl V. We have to check all sides that there is no transparent, there's no white background rather. We increase the canvas to 3000 pixels and we Ctrl V. So let's zoom. You can see that there is no white background anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you on the next episode. Bye.